Okay, welcome to the Lazy Solution YouTube channel. So throughout this YouTube channel we are going to learn about introduction of the R language and how R language is coded in the R Studio. So when we consider about the IDE, so we are able to code the R Studio, code the R language using the main two IDEs, R Studio and Rattle. So in here we are going to talk about R Studio, coding with the R Studio. So what are the basics? When we consider about the R language, commands are executing line by line. So when we have to run the command, it means execute the command, it should be ongoing on line by line. So when I run the first line, and after that we have to go to the second line and third line, fourth line, like that. So comments are starting with the hashtag. Comparing to other languages, some languages comments are starting with double slashes, slash with the star, like that. So in here comments are starting with the hashtag and get the help. So using this code segment, question mark with help, we are able to get the help from the R Studio and the related documentation, arguments, different packages, like that. So what are the operators in here? So there are several kinds of operators. We already know that: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponential, and modulus and integer division. So I'm going to talk about what are the operators and how we are going to run these things. So the special thing is, when you have to install the R Studio, you should have to install the R language at the beginning. That is your first step. So when I open this one, this is the R language, the application which is already installed in my device in here, and the application we are using is R Studio. I already installed in here R Studio, the application. So the thing is, before installing the R Studio, you should have to install the R language into your device. Okay, that's the first step we have to follow in here. Okay, so this is the interface of the R Studio. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the file, new file, and R script. We have to take the new R script. So this is the area we are going to type the code, and this is the area the console is located down here. The output of the code is appearing on the console. So these are the different tabs: files, plots, packages, help, viewer, like that. So the first things I'm going to make the comment using the hashtag my first comment. So what is the next one? Let's see, run the code, take the help from the R help. It is suggestion from here. So how we are going to run the code? We should have to highlight the code and click on the run. And another method is keep the cursor on the relevant line and you are able to run on here. And next one, I'm going to run the second line. So when it is running, we are able to see it is appearing on blue color and also the black color. Help. So when I run the help, it is successfully running here, and it is showing the help descriptions, usage, different arguments in here, and different packages, libraries, and different details with the different URLs. That's the use of the help. And next one, line by line process. Okay, at the basics line by line process, I'm going to consider using these operators. I'm going to use addition, subtraction, expo, and modulus. I'm going to consider only 4 operators in here. So let's see, do this one. Go to the R Studio. Let's see, make the comment as operators. Okay, I'm going to use 4 plus 5. So we are able to run using the keep the cursor on the relevant line and we are able to run. It is giving the answer. Other thing is we are able to highlight and run, and also we are able to use the shortcut as a control with enter. I'm repeating again, control with enter. So it is already run from here. And my subtraction 9 by 5, control enter. For I'm going to use expo. There are two methods, for hat 2, control enter 16, and for doubles multiplication mark with 2, it is also giving the same answer. So you can see I already run these things using the line by line. First I run this line, second I run this line, like that. So according to that we are able to understand these are executing by line method. And next one, so what should be the next one? Modulus. Let's try the modulus in here. Modulus 5 double percentage marks into 2, control enter. So remainder is given as a 1, so that's a modulus in here. So we are able to understand like this. So these are the basics of R language we have discussed in here. Okay, let's we move to the next lesson in next video. Thank you for watching Lazy Solution.